I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the song and immediately duplicating the track. This gives you a layer to isolate drums. Once done, add a channel EQ to the duplicate and set a tight bandpass around 60 to 500 Hz to capture kick and tom energy. Make sure both regions are sample aligned so phase cancellation will work later. Next, bus the duplicate to an auxiliary so you can process it independently. This keeps the original intact while you sculpt the drum-only element. Now refine the isolation. Apply additional narrow-notched EQ cuts to remove vocals and harmonic content, leaving primarily percussive transients. Once you have a drum-heavy duplicate, route it to a bus or bounce it to audio so processing stays tight. Insert a gain or utility plugin and invert the phase of that bus. Then play both original and inverted bus together. You will hear partial cancellation of centered drum elements. Adjust EQ bandwidth and timing while watching waveform alignment to maximize removal. Finish by carefully balancing levels and timing. Nudge the inverted drum track by a few samples if cancellation sounds hollow. Tiny shifts often make a big difference. Once drum bleed reduces, use a transient shaper or light multiband compression on the inverted bus to target stubborn snare and kick peaks. If musical elements start to disappear, back off the inversion gain and blend some original signal back in. This maintains naturalness while keeping drums low. Tip: if phase tricks fail, the song
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.